session, Atlassian Expert Team will take you through the last step of impact, the tie it up step. Tying up the sale or commitment is not some grand event to build up to. Instead, getting your prospect committing to buy is a result of doing the first 5 steps of impact correctly. Let's review. Investigate, meet, probe, apply, convince, and tie it up. This step is a natural conclusion to the buying process, and it gives you the opportunity to address any last-minute objections. If concerns arise, isolate and deal with each concern individually. Fear of commitment, price, unanswered questions, or more could all be driving objections at this point in the sale. As an Atlassian expert, it is your responsibility to identify and fully address areas of concern before asking for the sale. It is estimated that 65% of salespeople are hesitant to ask for the sale or commitment. Why? Mostly fear of rejection and the prospect saying no. You may be tempted to present your recommendation, then sit by silently, hoping your prospect will ask to buy. However, that's not the way to consistently win business. Remember, prospects want what you're selling or they wouldn't be interested. You must ask for the sale, and the time to ask is when you have built enough value to where the prospect is most likely to say yes. Think of it this way. If you work with a prospect who has a need and is aware of it, has authority and ability to buy, has a relative sense of urgency, trusts and listens to you, and you uncover exactly what they would like to accomplish, it is reasonable to assume that you have the permission to ask the prospect to buy. Make sure when you suggest your recommendation that satisfies your needs, you back it up with experience and assure them that you will deliver on every promise. When asking your prospect to buy, use an assumptive close. The Brooks Group found statistics that show an assumptive close is the best and least offensive way to close a sale. It can be accomplished in one of 2 ways, either as a question or as a statement. For example, as a question, when would you like me to begin the data migration project? Or as a statement, let's plan out the project calendar for this data migration. Either way, it's up to you to initiate the tying up of the sale. And once a prospect says yes to your recommendation, your work is still not over. Make sure you thank them on your decision, follow up on the details of the agreement, assure total satisfaction, and deliver on all your promises. A good business idea to work by is promise a lot and deliver even more. Continue to follow up your prospect to build a lasting relationship. View this as a lead to additional business in the future. Your prospect may be implementing Jira now, but later, once they're ready to move into agile development, will make sense for you to introduce them to Greenhopper. This is a great way to cultivate customers, to build your sales, and develop your new customers to the point that they're active advocates for you and your solutions. After going through all the steps of impact, you should be comfortable with the sales process. The Brooks Group has kindly gathered additional resources for our Atlassian experts to use, free of charge. Visit brooksgroup.com/Atlassian for more to help your business. As always, the Atlassian Expert Team values your thoughts. Please visit our partner community space to submit your feedback. On behalf of the Atlassian Expert Team, we are proud to have you in our Atlassian family. Thank you for being part of the Atlassian Experts program.